Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I am going to start another new name reaction, that is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction is the reaction in which the carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde and ketones, are reduced into alkane in the presence of uh, hydrazine, and the base medium should be basic, that is KOH or ethylene glycol. So now come to the main reaction. Basically, this reaction is used for the reduction of carbonyl compound into alkane. Now come to the main reaction of Wolff-Kishner reduction. If we take carbonyl compound, either it is alcohol or aldehyde, in the presence of compound, that is hydrazine, the formula of hydrazine is, molecular formula of hydrazine is NH2NH2 or N2H4. In the presence of KOH, in some books, in the place of KOH, they use ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. When aldehyde or ketone, that is carbonyl compound, treated with hydrazine in the presence of KOH, then it leads to the formation of alkane and N2 gas. Now this is the byproduct of this reaction. Now check the mechanism. If we take carbonyl compound, either aldehyde or ketone. Now here I will take aldehyde, or you can take ketone. So this is a ketone. Now if we take ketone, when this ketone is treated with hydrazine, we can write hydrazine like this. Then there is a loss of water molecule, H2 from hydrazine and O from carbonyl compound, and form now we have basic medium. Now KOH come into the scene. Now KOH split into K plus and OH minus. This is OH minus and it is basic in nature, so it's a tendency to abstract H plus, that is acidic hydrogen. Now we have two H plus in this compound. This is called hydrazine and this is called hydrazone. This is hydrazone. So we have two acidic hydrogen in hydrazone. This is acidic because the electronegativity difference between nitrogen and hydrogen is very high. So hydrogen withdraw electron toward itself from the hydrogen. So the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen is very weak. So it is very easy to abstract protons, that is H plus, from hydrazone. Now if this hydrogen leave the group in the form of H plus and this H plus bind with this OH minus and form H2O. Now if this hydrogen leave the group in the form of H plus, then the bond between the hydrogen and nitrogen are completely free. So this bond completely shifted to this nitrogen and the compound will form now. This bond pair is denoted by here by negative charge. Now due to resonance structure, this bond, this negative charge shifted between the nitrogen and nitrogen, and this pi bond will completely shifted to this single carbon. and form. Here negative charge. Now we have water in the medium, so if this compound will pass over the water, then water will split into H plus and OH minus. Now H plus is electron deficient molecule and it has tendency to attack on the electron rich center. Now in this compound, this is the electron rich center, so this negative charge go and bind with positive charge and molecule will form again. KOH came into the scene and it will split into K plus and OH minus. Now this is the acidic hydrogen, so this OH minus abstract H plus and the bond completely shifted to this nitrogen in the form of negative charge and form now due to the resonance structure, this bond shifted here between the nitrogen and the valency of nitrogen, that is combining capacity of nitrogen, is now fulfilled. So this nitrogen leave the group, this N2 molecule leave the group in the form of N2 gas, and the bond between carbon and nitrogen is completely shifted to this carbon, and the molecule will form here negative charge and the here byproduct is N2. Again H plus and OH minus. Now H plus bind with this negative charge and form and here the byproduct is N2, that is N2 gas, nitrogen gas. This is the main product of Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now this is the complete mechanism of Wolff-Kishner reduction. The important point for the Wolff-Kishner reduction is that it is used for the reduction of only carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde and ketone, and it is also used for the preparation of alkane. And the reagent used in this reaction is hydrazine. The molecular formula of hydrazine is N2H4. Now this is the complete Wolff-Kishner reduction. That's all. Thank you.